Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video I'm going to show you a simple trick how you can hide slides in your presentations on Google Slides really quickly without any technical skills. So drop a like and now let us get started. So let's assume guys you would like to present or display a presentation for your class, for example, but for instance hide a specific slide of your presentation. There's a simple trick you may apply here guys. What you want to do is simply access the presentation you would like to present, and here on the left hand side you will see a list of all associated slides. So let me for example hide slide number 7. All you will need to do guys to hide it from your presentation, from your viewers, simply right click on it and select skip slide. Now guys, to show you the proof of that, simply left click on the previous slide, which in this case here would be slide number 6, enable or start the slideshow here in the top right corner. And after a moment you will see that if we proceed or advance to the next slide, we will see that one of the slides is hidden actually. So we skipped it already, and that's how you do it guys. That's how you hide slides in your presentations on Google Slides. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed this video, and we see you next time on our channel.